everyone! In this video, we'll learn how to create product categories in the Slimrate POS system. Start by opening the Inventory section. Then go to the Categories tab. Click New in the top right corner. A form for a new category will appear. Type in the name of your category. In our example, let's use fruits. You can choose a color that fits your category, and you can also add a picture to make it even easier to find. Click Save. That's it! We've just created a new category for our store. You can change the order of categories manually, and the same order will appear on your tablet. If you want to add a subcategory, click New on the main category and follow the same steps. In my example, I'll add a subcategory called Apples, first red apples, then green apples. You can change the order of subcategories just like with main categories. Click Save and you're all set. See you in the next videos.